Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID to unlock your Mac. So one of the biggest benefit of Touch ID is that you don't have to type your password every time you want to unlock your Mac. Once this option is enabled, you can simply place your registered fingerprint on the Touch ID sensor to unlock your Mac much more quicker. Before turning this feature on, make sure you have already added at least one fingerprint to your Touch ID, and then here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Setting. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Touch ID and Password. And here, if you have already added your fingerprint, one or more, then you can enable the toggle right to use Touch ID to unlock your Mac. And if you haven't added any fingerprint here, you can see add fingerprint button. Click on it and then follow the on-screen instructions to add the fingerprint and then try unlocking this option. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.